Hello, pre-algebra students. Mr. Lawrence here with your next flip lesson, and we're continuing our exploration, finding the nth term. I don't know about you guys, but I'm feeling pretty smart when I can figure these things out. I think it's pretty cool. So I'm going to say go ahead and see if you can do number one on your own. Pause the video, and then when you ready to see my solution, go ahead and let me know. Unpause the video, and you'll see what I did. Okay, if you're still watching at this point, I assume you want to see my solution. The first thing I'm going to do is make a table out of all these numbers, right? And I know in the other videos and stuff, I've had you find the 75th term or something. For this one, I'm just going to have you find the nth term, okay? So, and we're going to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and n. And I'll get rid of those dots only because they're in my way. And I'm going to go looking for the first difference. It looks like I'm adding 3 every time, right? Plus 3. That means my answer is going to be something like 3n. So I'm going to put my comparison line down here, and I'm going to plug these top ones, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, in for n. So 1 times 3 is 3, 6, 9, 12, and 15. And then I'm always going to compare up. How do I turn 3 into negative 3? Some of you will have a hard time with that one, so don't look at that one. 6 to 0, I must have to subtract 6. 9 to 3, subtract 6. 12 to 6, subtract 6. Now come back and look. 3 minus 6, yeah, that's negative 3. They're always minus 6. So my solution must be the 3n take away 6. And now I can find any term in the sequence. Okay, here's the second one. Again, I want you to try it on your own. If you're ready to see my solution, let me know. If you're still watching, here comes my solution. Make my little table. And I'm going to fill in the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then n. I'll find my first differences. It looks like I'm subtracting 7. 3 minus 7, yeah, that's negative 4. Looks like I'm subtracting 7 every time. So my answer has to be something like minus 7n. Make my comparison line. And plug the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in for n. So negative 7 times 1 is negative 7. It'd be negative 14, negative 21, negative 28, and negative 35. Okay, well, let's see here. Looks like on this one, this might be the easiest one. Looks like I'm going to have to add 17. Negative 17, if I have 7, oh, excuse me, negatives, if I have 7 negatives and 17 positives, won't I be left with 10 positives? Negative 14 plus 17, well, I know that 17 minus 3 is, oh, excuse me, minus 14 is 3. Yeah, I've got a negative 14 and a positive 17. There we go. All right, so it looks like I'm adding 17. So my solution is going to be negative 7n plus a 17. And there you go. One more, and then you guys are done. This one's kind of tricky. Let's see what you can do with it. I'll bet Chastity and Alexis know how to do this one. So if you're still watching, you want to see my solution. And then I get the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and n. And it looks like I'm always going up by plus 1/2. Plus 1/2. Plus 1/2. So I'm going to get a 1/2 of n. Make my comparison line. All right, now I know for some of you the odd numbers are getting you trouble. We'll do the even numbers first. What's half of 4? It's 2. What's half of 2? It's 1. What's half of 1? 1/2. What's half of 3? 1.5. Half of 5? 2.5. Now look up. How do I turn 2 into 3? I add 1. How do I turn 1 into 2? I add 1. A half to 1.5, I add 1. Looks like I'm adding 1 every time. If you check it with 3, you're going to be right almost every single time. All right, so my solution is going to be 1/2 of n, and then plus the 1. And there you go. If you can do that, feel really good about yourself. If not, why haven't you been in to see me? All right, Mr. Lawrence signing off. Good night, everybody.